Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
No problem. Is there any way I can see the back real quick? Let it cool for a few minutes? Yeah, appreciate it. I think he tried opening it for me, but it was locked. Nice. Is this an old Sundown NS1? Yeah. Okay. Still running strong. All right. Do you know if this is the 18-volt one or the 14s? I don't know. So, okay. Nice. Yes, that is the old 18-volt. Wow. That's a tank amp right there. All right. Yeah, I'm going to go get in. You in line? Oh, appreciate it, man. Hey, how you doing? What's your name? What's in here, man?
My name is Matt Esser. This is a 6 level 5 and 515.
Okay.
And a 6 order. And a single NS1.
Okay.
6500 watts.
Nice. Did you build this?
Yeah, I hand built all this stuff.
Okay. Do you know the tunings on it?
The rear tuning is 30 and the front tuning is 52.
Okay. You're doing a good job building this. So is this port loading wall like removable for the subs? Or how did you get the subs in there? Like,
So,
man.
The subs all get loaded in through the rear wall.
Okay. So this actually doesn't remove the rear, you come from the back.
Yeah, I mean, you can, technically you can pull the subs from this port.
Yeah.
But you would have to remove all these braces and then...
Yeah, that's a lot of work, yeah.
Get your strongest, smallest friend you got.
Thank you for the demo, man.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you. Your name?
Matt Esser.
Matt Esther, all right. Well, one thing I forgot to ask you is your alternator, power, and battery. How are you doing on that? What all do you have?
So, the alternator is just a Beckman 370.
Okay.
The battery is just the 80 amp hour Yingling cells.
Okay.
It does pretty good. It holds 14s. So, I mean,
Yeah.
not too worried about the whole voltage drop issue.
Yes, sir.
Copy.
Oh yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate the demo. Nice job. You built it for Lowe's, to tell pretty much. It looks like it. Oh, it does a high nose too.
It'll hold you with a high.
Oh yeah. Wow. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.